The Gujarat State Road Development Corporation Limited, which is under the Department of Roads and Buildings of the state, is in the process of construction of 9,000 kilometers of core road network. The state has identified corridors for improvement under public-private participation to support and promote the phenomenal economic growth in Gujarat and to provide greater convenience to the residents of the state. Today, we shall focus on the Chirai-Anjar corridor on State Highway 50 in the Kutch district. This project corridor is 28.8 kilometers long and originates from National Highway 8A near Chirai, passes through the Anjar bypass and finally rejoins the proposed NH8A extension. It provides the shortest route for the traffic moving towards Mundra Port, Mandvi Port, Jakhnu Port, Narayan Sarovar and various other places in the western part of Kutch district. The defined project length consists of two state highways, SH50 and SH46. The Roads and Buildings Department has awarded the project for the upgradation of the existing road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes to Welspun Infratech Limited, headquartered in Mumbai, who have appointed Welspun Projects Limited as the EPC contractor. Intercontinental Consultants and Technocrats Private Limited from New Delhi are leading the design consultancy efforts on this project. This stretch starts at Chirai town in the Kutch district of Gujarat, where the SH50 branches off from National Highway 8A. The highway presently has 2-lane carriageways of 7-meter width in the stretch between Chirai to Anjar. Upgradation to 4 lanes of 14 meters with paved shoulder has been planned for this stretch. The alignment passes through largely plain terrain. Currently, there are no rail over bridges in the project stretch. To avoid level crossings and to make the vehicular movement faster and safer, 2 rail over bridges have been planned. The first rail over bridge is planned at chainage 40.04 kilometers of State Highway 50. A toll plaza is proposed at chainage 54.9 kilometers on the State Highway 50 for the usage of this upgraded stretch as per the PPP structure. It will be developed in the form of a semi-axis controlled highway facility. The alignment consists of 2 major bridges, both of which lie on the State Highway 50, on rivers and streams which are generally dry in fair weather and active in monsoons. Here, we see the major bridge proposed at chainage 48.89 of State Highway 50. We are now approaching the Welspun city area, a 2,500-acre township at the heart of Anjar, developed by the Welspun Group. To the right we see the first of 2 Welspun grams in the area, which provide housing for the workers at its steel and textile mills. A foot overbridge with escalators has been provided for safe and convenient movement to either side of the highway. To the left, we see the upcoming Welspun township, which will be developed for the Welspun office staff and offer a variety of amenities for residents. Bus stops have been provided near the grams and the townships for the convenience of the residents. To the right, we now see the second Welspun ground. To the left, we see the main Welspun city gate. This area houses the steel and textile mills as well as the offices of the Welspun Group. To the right, we see the Welspun Vidya Mandir, a school of till class 10 which is affiliated to the CBSE, and Welspun Anganwadi for pre-primary school students. Bus stop, escalator-equipped footover bridge have been proposed near the school area. And vehicular underpass have been proposed near the school area to ensure safety and convenience while maintaining the efficiency of traffic and public transport. The new project road now bypasses the town of Anjar in order to provide high-speed mobility to vehicles and allow easy access of NH 8A to vehicles coming from the various ports. A rail overbridge is planned at chainage 56.927 kilometers of State Highway 50. The bypass road now passes through the Swarnim Circle intersection with State Highway 46. We now move to the Welspun Circle where the bypass again intersects with State Highway 46. The project stretch ends at chainage 43.032 of the State Highway 46. This project not only features road widening and improvement of facilities, but also provides smooth and high-speed mobility to the significant amount of traffic headed to and from the various ports in Kutch.